Did you catch that massive spike on oil? Here is how this trader caught it.
Trade in saying $60 oil hasn't taken place since back in 2021. So we're looking at 5 years that the oil market has historically sat on that $60 level. Now, like I mentioned to you, we did have that time earlier this year where the market did break down and moved all the way back down into these lower levels. But what did you see beyond that? The market immediately came back up and created a consolidation. So like I was saying to you, swing high, swing low, swing high again. So you can see that how this market had quite a strong sell-off into these levels. You can see that that market consolidated and moved back up to the previous highs and even broke the previous highs. So you can see that the market wants to sit within that $60 level. Now, to close off with, this does sound like confirmation bias, but the point is you have to take a side on a trade. You have to either be buy or sell. You can't be both. Now, you can be both, but it is a bit contradictory. So from my perspective, looking at what we've discussed in this video, I do believe that with the markets being oversold on the weekly, the daily, the 4-hourly, divergence showing that $60 whole number resistance and all the other points that I discussed with you, there is a probability that you're going to see the market bounce off that $60 level. Now, what if you don't see that market bounce off that $60 level? Simply put, you get out. Now, getting out may include losing a bit of money, but that is part of trading. What is important, however, is that you can keep this trade on your radar, watch it closely, and decide when it's going to be the right time to get in.